Namaskar दोस्तों, I am Shubham Garg and you are in Garg Gurukul channel. So today, as you have seen on the thumbnail picture, that how we can change the AFCAT center, the written exam center and written exam date. Now, in previous video, I made a video, this one, and in that video, I told you that there is no possibility to change the AFCAT center or exam date, as in the instructions it was clearly mentioned that you cannot any request for change of exam center or date will not be entertained. But I have got few candidates who have followed a procedure and they have changed their exam date and exam center. Now let me tell you one thing. So first thing is, this is my WhatsApp number 9380647486. You can WhatsApp me on this number if you have any doubt, or if you need AFCAT preparation PDF notes. Okay. Now these are small short revision notes. Okay. And these will help you to clear the AFCAT. Still you can clear the AFCAT. There is a video I have prepared, like how to crack AFCAT in 15 days. So you can click on the I button on the right side and you can have that see that video. Okay. So first thing is, now date change. Okay, and center change. Now center change. The reason for center change is a lot of candidates this time have got very far center. Okay, center, the like we have to give 5 preferences, 1 2 3 4 5 as your preferences in AFCAT application, and a lot of candidates have got fourth or fifth preference. I have seen candidates who have got preference which they have not mentioned itself in their center. Okay, so people have got 600 kilometer, 700 kilometers, something like that center. Okay, that far. Okay, so that is the reason for center change. Now date change is required because UPSC prelims, okay, is on 4th. Okay, IBPS PO exam is also on 4th. Okay, and third is, a lot of candidates have semester exams who are studying in final year. Okay, or who have graduated just now, last semester exams. So they want to change the dates. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the process. So the very first thing is, there is an email ID, okay, which is fcatcell@gmail.com and fcatcell@cdet.in. Okay, so what you have to do is, you have to send an email to both of these IDs. Okay, send one email to this ID, one email to this ID. Okay, and in that email mention your problem. Okay, you need center change or date change, whatever. Okay, mention that problem, and then in that email you mention your name clearly, your name, your birth date, your application number. This number you will get in your admit card. On the right hand side there will be an application number written, okay, or registration number, whatever is there, that you write. Registration number, application number, keep any of one of these. Birth date, name, birth date, application number, mobile number, and father's name. Why father's name? Because there might be a possibility that same name and same birth date students are there. Application, so there will be 2 records, but application number will be there, but still you can provide your father's name. So these 5 details you provide them, okay, in the email, and then write that, hi sir or ma'am. Then write your problem, that I have these problems, the center is very far, or I have this exam or something. Please take my request to change the center or date, whatever you want to do. Okay. Now I will show you proof. Okay. that how someone has emailed and how he has got the response and what was the procedure he followed actually, and how after how many days he got the new admit card, or was it the old admit card itself that will work. Okay, so I'll clarify that things. Please watch the full video. Now there is one of the subscribers of mine whose name is Nitish Sani. Okay, Nitish Sani, and I'm very thankful to him to sending me these details, and he has provided me these details and helped me out in understanding that how he has changed his center. So if you see, he has sent a mail. Okay, on the right hand side of your screen here, you must be seeing. So he has written to Sir Madam that he has some financial problems and all that. Okay, and change his center. Okay, so he has mailed and he has done the same thing. He has mailed to fcatsell@cdet.in and fcatsell@gmail.com. Okay, now the thing is, after emailing, after 4 to 5 days, okay, he has got a response. So you can see the response on the screen. Okay, just see what they have written. Okay, and they have provided him a new admit card. So you can see now on the screen that this is the before admit card, and this is the on the right hand side, that is the new admit card. Now one thing over here is, if you are trying to change the date, okay, so be be ready that there might be a possibility that your center might also change. Okay, and if you are trying to change the venue or center, okay, so be ready that your date, exam date, might also change. Okay, because for him they have provided a new date itself. Okay, so it might be a possibility that if you are asking for a center change, you might not get the same date or the same slot. Okay, so be ready for that. So this was the process. I was getting a lot of messages that said how to change it, and I was replying everyone that there is a very less possibility to change it. But now we have seen that there is a process with which candidates are changing. So please take this route and mail them and wait for their reply. Okay, they are, because lots of emails are going to them, so they are generally replying in 4 to 5 days. If you have liked this video, please click on the like button. I know I would have told you a solution. I am trying to solve a lot of problems for you. I hope I was able to solve your problem. This is my WhatsApp number 9380647486. Still, if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. And please press the like button if you have liked the video. If you are preparing for SSB preparation or preparing for any other defense exam, please subscribe to this channel. This is Shubham Garg. Thank you so much.